Yes, folks, we are here at KFC, and today it's time to jug a bag full of Mountain Dew Sweet Lightning. Don't touch that mouse. What's good now, and welcome back to Badlands Chugs. Oh yes, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood because you're here. Thanks so much for watching. And yo, today we are chugging Mountain Dew Sweet Lightning. You know you can only get it at KFC, and oh man, right now they got it in a bag, all right? I remember when Popeyes had their drinks in the bag, but now it's time to see what it is. Okay? Let's just step into the chug zone, all right? See if I can get this top off. All right. Okay, you know when you hear this crack like that, that's where it's at, all right? So let's position this so I don't spill it, all right? Because, you know, the top is like a little, loose, but it's all good. Big ups to It's T Kenny. He did this previously. Go subscribe to the Young Chuggers channel, all right? Let's go with this. Oh, this smells so good. And it's fridge cold because I just got it. And you know how they get down when it's carbonated like crazy out the fountain. So let's just go. Enough talk for real. Cheers. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. This was delicious. Oh, yeah. I love it. All right. Well, another chug down. Oh, and another chug off of the Mountain Dew iceberg completed. All right. Chugging the world, one bottle at a time. Badlands Chugs is back.